In this video, we will be going over the assembly and setup of the Infinity Evoke massage chair. The only tool required for assembly is a screwdriver, which comes included with the chair along with all other required screws and parts. Once you have positioned your chair in a clear space, before starting the assembly, you want to make sure that the backrest is in the upright position by simply lifting up on it until it locks into place. Once the backrest is upright, next you will be installing the arm sections. To do so, line up the hole on the rear of the inside of the arm with the metal pin on the inside of the chair. Position the arm so the metal brackets line up with the screw holes on the shelving of the chair. Connect the 3 air nozzles on the chair to their respective air hoses on the armrest according to their colors. Then, take 2 screws and washers and tighten them into the arm bracket holes, securing the arm into place. Repeat the same process for the other arm. In the next step, you will attach the chair's cushions. Start by draping the backrest cushion over the top of the chair. Then, locate and connect the cable on the underside of the backrest cushion to the cable on the left hip side of the chair. Zipper the top of the cushion to the zipper on the top of the chair, as well as both zippers going down the sides. Then, Velcro the base of the backrest to the Velcro strip on the chair's seat. Next, attach the seat cushion by placing the rounded side towards the back of the seat. Keeping the cushion upright, connect the 2 air hoses on the bottom of the cushion to the nozzles on the chair according to their colors. Once those are connected, lower the cushion onto the Velcro strips on the chair. Finally, take the headrest and Velcro it to the Velcro strip on the top of the chair. To complete the setup, plug the chair's power cord into the port on the back of the base of the chair. Then, plug the remote cord into the port to the left and flip the power switch to on. You have now completed the assembly of your new Infinity Evoke massage chair. In order to ensure everything is working properly, run the chair through a cycle like the quick relaxation program. Check that all of the airbags are fully inflating and that the massage roller track is functioning correctly. If everything is running smoothly, you are good to go and ready to unlimit your wellness. Enjoy, and thank you for joining the Infinity family.